This plant, a perennial vine, has purple flowers that develop berries that turn red. This fact and others are yours to explore here on Natureverse 4.7. As a member of the nightshade family, it shouldn't surprise you that this plant is poisonous. I probably should say that we're talking about bittersweet nightshade. All parts of this plant are poisonous, and one should never consume the berries, especially when they are unripe. Other names for this plant include climbing nightshade, felonwort, trailing nightshade, and woody nightshade. I'm sure the climbing nightshade and the trailing nightshade speak of its vining growth, while the name felonwort is actually stems from the fact that this plant was used to cure infections found in the toes and the fingers. The woody nightshade points to the fact that these plants are somewhat woody. The leaves often have 1 or 2 lobes located at the bottom of the leaf. Crushed leaves also have a really foul smell to them. Pretty unique. Now, depending upon where you live, this plant may flower from May to September. And you can tell this plant apart from others because they have purple flowers with yellow stamens, and that yellow really stands out. Now, once those flowers are fertilized, they're going to go to green berries, to orange berries, and finally to red berries. Parents, those red berries can be very tempting to young children to pluck those berries and eat them, so be mindful of that. I shouldn't need to say this, but the berries are not edible. The plant does climb and can be a bit of a weed. Oh, it is an introduced species and can be in some locations, so be mindful of that also. What I do know is that this species is eaten by birds and other wildlife who help to spread the seeds. Now, they are also spread supposedly by a rhizome. If it says it, it might be true. Being a vine, they can climb trees, but I've never seen them climb very high into trees. And with that, guys, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.